In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar with Monday.com in 2025. This process can significantly enhance your workflow management by keeping your calendar events and your project tasks seamlessly in sync. Whether you want your meetings from Google Calendar to automatically create tasks in Monday.com, or you simply want to ensure that everything stays organized across platforms, this guide will walk you through the integration process. First, open Monday.com and navigate to the specific board where you wish to integrate Google Calendar. This board is where you'll set up all your automated tasks and events. Once you're on the board, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Integrate button. Clicking on this will take you to the Automation Center, which is where the magic happens. In the Automation Center, you'll see a search bar. Type in Google Calendar to narrow down the available options. This will bring up a list of integration templates that are specifically designed for connecting Google Calendar with Monday.com. Your choice of template will depend on your specific needs. For instance, if you want an event created in Google Calendar to automatically create a corresponding item in Monday.com, select that template. Similarly, if your preference is to sync tasks in Monday.com to appear as events in Google Calendar, choose the template that suits that function. After selecting the appropriate template, you will be prompted to connect your Google account with Monday.com. This is a crucial step as it allows the two platforms to communicate with each other. Make sure to grant all necessary permissions for a seamless integration. This step ensures that Monday.com can access and create calendar events on your Google Calendar and vice versa without any hitches. Some templates come with additional features, allowing you to map specific details from your Google Calendar events with the columns on your Monday.com board. For example, you can have the start time, end time, and event description from your Google Calendar automatically filled into the columns on your board. This feature is particularly useful for projects that require precise scheduling and detailed task descriptions, providing a comprehensive overview of your timeline and responsibilities. By the end of this process, your integration should be fully operational, with Google Calendar and Monday.com working together harmoniously. This integration is a great way to streamline your workflow, ensuring that you spend less time switching between platforms and more time focusing on your projects. If you encounter any roadblocks, revisit the steps, or refer to detailed guides available on the Monday.com support page. Happy integrating, and may your productivity soar to new heights.